Metro Manila and several parts of the country have been experiencing warm weather in the past weeks as the weak northeast monsoon or Amihan bring cool weather and some isolated light rains over parts of extreme northern Luzon. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, February 11. Based from this data and satellite image, the easterlies continues to affect the eastern sections of Luzon and Visayas, while the weak northeast monsoon affects the northern Luzon. While here in Metro Manila and the rest of the country will continue to experience partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. The warm and humid air brought by the easterlies will bring rain showers or thunderstorms over the eastern sections of Visayas and some parts of Mindanao. Light to moderate winds blowing from the east to northeast will prevail over Luzon and coming from the northeast over the rest of the country. Meanwhile, Pag-asa issued a gale warning today due to the surge of the northeast monsoon. Affected areas over the northern seaboards of northern Luzon are Batanes, Calayan, Babuyan, northern coast of Cagayan, and the northern coast of Ilocos Norte. And for the eastern and western seaboards of northern Luzon, Isabela, eastern coast of Cagayan, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, western coast of Ilocos Norte are also affected. Expect the sea conditions over these areas to be rough to very rough with 3.4 to 4.5 meter high waves. Fishing boats and other small sea crafts are still advised by Pag-asa not to venture out into the sea, while larger sea vessels are alerted against big waves. As the country nears the end of the cold season, tomorrow's sunrise will be at 23 minutes past 6 in the morning, while sunset will now be at 2 minutes before 6 in the evening. And for our astronomy news of the day from space.com, there's a tricky question for you. If January 31 was new moon, when is the new moon for the month of February? The answer is, there is no new moon this February. The synodic period of the new moon, or new moon to new moon, is 29.53 days. February has only 28 days, so it's quite possible if the last new moon occurs at the end of January, the next new moon will occur at the beginning of March. It just happens to be that February 2014 is one of those months. Some people think that the period of moon 27.32 days, but that is the period of the moon's relative to the stars, the way orbital periods are normally measured. Remember that while the moon moves around the Earth also moves around the sun and results in that 2.2-day difference between the moon's actual period and a little bit of extra movement of Earth. As a result of the missing new moon in February, both January and March have two new moons in January, where they were on January 1 and 31 and on March 1 and 30. After watching News Live tonight, try to take a glimpse of the waxing gibbous moon with planet Jupiter as a bright white star next to it. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, February 11. For News Live, this is Edmond Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.